Yama basically tells us how we can control our action and reaction, i.e., how we can handle our actions. There are 5 yamas: 1 ahimsa, 2 satya, 3 asthaya, 4 brahmacharya, 5 aparigraha. Ahimsa means don't hurt anyone, don't hurt even the smallest of animals, don't hurt ants, mosquitoes, etc. It means you can't eat non-vegetarian food, because when you are eating non-vegetarian food, you are harming someone in a way and giving pleasure to your stomach and your tongue. Don't do this. This is the first yama, satya. Always speak the truth, no matter how difficult it is. Walk on the path of truth. What happens in Kali Yuga is you can't speak the truth all the time. What should we do in this situation? We should speak the truth as much as we can. When there is a lot of need, we should lie. The other person is getting pleasure. You don't want to hurt them by telling the truth. Then maybe it's right to lie. Like doctors say, everything will be fine. When they know that in some time a person is going to die. Then comes asthaya. Asthaya means don't ever steal. Stealing is not only about things, stealing is also about emotions. If a person expects an emotion from you, like love, friendship, then give them that thing, don't steal that thing from them. If a person wants to spend time with you, then don't forget them, don't hurt them in any way. There is an author, Khalid Hosseini. He says, there is only one type of sin in the world, that is stealing. When you kill someone, in one way, you steal their life. When you hurt someone, in one way, you steal their life. When you break someone's friendship, in one way, you steal someone's friend. So there is only one type of sin in the world, that is stealing. You don't have to steal. Someone loves you and you love them too, but you don't tell them. So in one way, this is a sin. You have stolen their love. This is asthaya. Don't ever steal any emotion from anyone. Don't ever steal anything from anyone. Don't even steal yourself. Okay? Then you will be happy from inside. The 4th pillar is brahmacharya. What does brahmacharya mean? Don't waste energy on things. It means whatever is your carnal desire, whatever is your lust, stay away from them, and don't waste your energy on those things. We all have limited energy. If we waste our energy on these things, what we have come to do in this world, we won't have energy left for that, so we have to invest all our energy in things that make us happy, things that make us better than yesterday, okay? If we do this, then we will be happy, and we will be able to keep others happy. Then comes aparigraha. Aparigraha means don't be greedy. You don't have to take this thing to the extreme. You don't have to be too greedy, and you don't have to be greedy at all. You should have ambition to get something. And Robin Sharma says, life should be full in every way. That is, your life should be fulfilled in every way. Aparigraha means the thoughts that come to your mind. That I wish I had more money, then maybe I would have been happy. Okay, don't do those things. If you want happiness, then you can be happy right now. The sadhus, the monks, they are happy. They have nothing. How do they live? Because they are in the present moment. Whatever they have, they are enjoying it. They are doing what they want to do. Okay? You also have to do this. Do what you want to do. If you want to earn more money, then go to earn more money. But don't let such thoughts come, that I want more. If I get more, then I will be happy. You can't be happy with anything. Happiness is a state of mind. If you want to be happy, then you can be happy right now. You can never be happy later. Later you will look back. If I had this thing earlier, then I would have been happy. So in a way, your mind is fooling you. You are taking you away from happiness. So don't do this, I request you. So don't keep such thoughts in your life, which makes you sad, okay? Which makes you greedy in a way, because it becomes an endless cycle. If I have a big car, then I will be happy. If you have a big car, you think if I have a big bungalow, then I will be happy. If I have a bigger bungalow, then I will be happy. There is no limit. It will keep going until it ends. You will be old, and you will say, "What did I do all my life? I took all these things, which I can't even take with me." You won't take money after death. Car fame. You won't take all this. You might have to leave it here, so don't have such thoughts. If you want to be happy, then right now, be happy.